Give them what they want to see. The things that you need to do, simplify na natin. Ibigay nyo yung gusto nila. Kasi quality service, di ba? Sinasabi ko sa mga kliyente ko, ganito sa masterclass. Okay? Insurance sila, intindihin na natin, tanggapin na natin yon para bayaran tayo ng mabilis. Give them what they want to see. What is it that they want to see? Quality service. Quality service. Take note, ha? They are not asking for any explanation. So do not give them an explanation that as if you are defending a mortality and morbidity conference. Hindi ho ganyan. Yung kanila, may mga specific silang hinahanap. Ano yung mga specific na yon? Okay? Yung mga nasa CPG. So wag na kayo magbigay ng mga analysis because they don't care about your analysis. All they care about is that they want to see it and they want to see it immediately. Give them what they want to see. Because at the end of the day, may 200 ako na quota. Okay? So, I'm not saying lahat sila ganyan. Okay? What I'm trying to say is that maraming ganyan. You give them the quality service and do not prepare your documentation as if you are defending something, okay, like a mortality morbidity conference. So, in a nutshell, ang point ko ganito, let's make the medical evaluator's task comfortable. Pagbasa ho ng claim ninyo, komportable siya. Ulitin ko ha, yung tipong pagbasa niya ng mga claim ninyo, nakasmile si medical evaluator. Dahil nakita niya, ay, ito ho yung claim ng hospital ni Doktora Nicole Panugan ng Usamis. Ay, ito ho yung kay Dr. Posas ng Palawan. Ay, gusto ko ito kasi napakalinis ng pagkagawa. Okay, sa sobrang linis, nagmamadali ako, bayaran ko na lang ito kasi alam ko naman talagang walang fraud ito. O, pwede ba yun? Well, that could happen. In contrast to, pagdating ng claim, Diyos ko, nandito na naman itong claim na to. Utang na loob, ano ba ito? Bakit ba ito? Bakit ba kung kailan Friday ibibigay sa akin ang claim na napakapangit? Okay? So my point is this. Okay? Let's make their lives comfortable because you will benefit from it. Okay? Pwede, Dr. Posas. Okay. So, quality service yung hinahanap, CPG. Yung CPG must be part of the information, yung clinical information po. So, medical information required in your claim forms. Okay, yan yung kanina, di ba? So, basically, if 1 plus 1, okay, if A is plus B is equals to C, so C is, ganito lang ho yan, okay? Ang gusto pala nila, yung CPG, bits and pieces of the CPG, sana makita sa claim form. Ganun lang. Kung ang quality service ay CPG, kung ang CPG must be part of the information, kung ang medical information ay dapat nakalagay sa claim forms, so, gusto pala nilang makita bits and pieces or a portion of it ng CPG nasa claim form. Ganun lang yun. Okay? So, do it that way, hindi kayo magkakaproblema. Okay?